the squirrel and the birds. I can't get too close to the squirrel. I'll distract her. But there are about 3 squirrels on the street, and they're confined to their locality. Unlike Indian squirrels, these squirrels in Canada are dark colored, often black, and much healthier, much more healthier. The squirrel is up on the tree, yeah, playing around between various trees. Hiding under the cars, then again getting out and climbing up a tree. Lonely squirrel here on this side, another lonely one on the other side. Yeah, that's a brown color. Number of them. I was wrong in saying that only 3. There should be more. I wish I could show my grandson this play of the squirrel.